Hey, what's up guys? This is Diego TECHIE Life, and today we're going to be doing a exhaust difference on a Ford 2013 F150. We're going to be putting aftermarket exhaust, a catback. Actually, it's going to be an eBay exhaust, and we're going to just see how it sounds and whatnot. I'm going to show you like the stock and how the catback sounds. And here we have the catback, and it's used. And the cool thing about it is, check this out. Yeah. So we're gonna see how this sounds. We're gonna see the difference, and I'm just gonna show y'all just how to quickly disassemble this exhaust. I'm gonna give you a before, and I'm gonna give you an after. So stay tuned.
Welcome to TECHIE Life.
Alright, so we're going to first start off in the front here, and I'm going to be using my Milwaukee with a couple of sockets there. Let's go ahead and get up front. I'm going to remove out this bipod tripod. Show y'all what we need to do here. We got two bolts there that we got to take off there. I'm not too sure what size. I want to say maybe size 15 or 16. And then we have here another bolt on the other side of this flange. We got to remove that, and I believe after that this whole muffler is one piece. So I might need some help. I'm not too sure. We'll have to figure it out. But it's gonna be a good performance upgrade, good challenge. So without further ado, I'm gonna put you on fast forward.
the muffler or exhaust catback is installed already. We have the tailpipes way under there. The only thing I have not done is haven't wired the cutoff yet. There's the tailpipes. There's the tailpipe there. One in there. All the way around there. And the one thing that I did have to kind of figure out here, and I might still have to do later on, I didn't know, is those bolts there. There's a cutoff. I didn't realize that these bolts are actually welded into this flange here. So you'll have to get your own bolts or nuts and bolts, your own combination that fits there. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Alright guys, so this is going to be the stock exhaust, so check it out. Alright, so that's with the rear exhaust. I did it on and off with the cutoff. And now we're gonna do it inside the cabin. So let's see here. This is with the cutoff closed. And then we're gonna do cutoff open here. Oh, we hear the turbo bad. I can't wait till take this on a test drive. The idle's a little, seems like it's a little rough, but we'll see. Sounds okay. So let's take it out and test drive and see what's going on, or see how it does. Alright guys, so here we are inside the cab, and we're gonna go ahead and do a turnaround here. So this is with the muffler, the performance muffler on there with no cutoff valve open, so it should sound pretty soft, or softer than the cutoff valve. But this is inside the cab. We're gonna lower the windows down so you can listen. And we're going under a bridge, so it'll be a little louder. That's the turbo. Here we go. Alright, so we're gonna do it with the windows down, or windows up, and you're gonna see there's not much cabin noise here. It's not bad at all. up next will be with the cutoff valve open, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so this is here with the cutoff valve open. Let me put on my seatbelt real quick. Alright, seatbelt on. See how it sounds. Windows open. Whoa. That was no joke. That was loud. It's pretty loud. I don't know if I'd do it on the highway speeds, because it seems like highway speeds would be annoying. Let's go down to second. So this would be kind of like highway speeds. That turbo is really loud though. It's no joke. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I don't know if I run this all the time here. I'm gonna hit another hard run here. So let's see how that goes. I do like the wide open throttle when it's racing, pretty much. But I don't know if I like the highway soft speeds here. This is kind of stupid loud. But let me know what you guys think. You know, please subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Laters.